There comes a moment in every life when pain knocks on the door, and what you do next decides the person you become. Listen closely. Because what I'm about to tell you is something most people go their entire lives without understanding. Pain is not here to break you. Pain is here to build you. Every person you admire today, every champion, every success story, every extraordinary human, they all carry scars. Not the kind you see on the outside, but the kind carved deep on the inside. The kind created by struggle, loss, betrayal, failure, disappointment, and moments of loneliness so heavy it felt impossible to breathe. But here's the difference. They didn't run from that pain. They didn't hide from it. They didn't let it hollow them out. They used it. They turned their pain into discipline. They turned their pain into courage. They turned their pain into power. Because pain, when you learn to harness it, becomes the greatest fuel a human being can ever possess. Think about it. When you're comfortable, you don't push. When everything is easy, you don't grow. When nothing challenges you, nothing changes you. It's only when life hits you. Only when people doubt you. Only when you fail, fall, and fracture, that you begin to realize what you are truly capable of. And the truth is simple but brutal. Pain is the birthplace of transformation. Let me ask you something. What do you think shaped the strongest people in this world? Their victories? Their trophies? Their success? No. It was the nights they cried alone. It was the days they wanted to quit. It was the moments they were ignored, underestimated, dismissed, and broken. Those moments didn't make them weaker. Those moments sharpened them like steel. You might feel pain right now. You might feel lost, betrayed, abandoned, or exhausted. You might be carrying a weight that no one else sees. But listen to me, that pain you feel? That pressure on your chest? That storm in your mind? That battle in your heart? It's not the end of your story. It is the forging of a new one. Because life is not punishing you. Life is preparing you. Preparing you to be someone who cannot be shaken. Someone who cannot be stopped. Someone who refuses to break. The ones who rise in life are not the ones who avoid pain. They are the ones who turn pain into power. When someone leaves you, let it push you into becoming someone they'll regret losing. When someone doubts you, let it become the reason you work twice as hard. When life tears you apart, use every piece to rebuild yourself into a stronger, smarter, more focused version of you. Every setback can become a comeback. Every wound can become wisdom. Every struggle can become strength. Every failure can become fuel. But only if you choose it. You see, pain gives you two paths. You can let it limit you. Or you can let it launch you. You can let it drain you. Or you can let it drive you. You can let it define you. Or you can let it develop you. The world is full of people who drown in their pain. Be the one who rises from it. Because once you learn to channel your pain, once you learn to convert it into energy, hunger, and discipline, something powerful happens. Nothing can stop you anymore. Not fear. Not failure. Not the past. Not people. Not circumstances. Not doubt. Nothing. You become someone different. Someone unbreakable. Someone unstoppable. Someone who no longer asks, "Why is this happening to me?" but instead says, "What is this trying to build inside me?" And when you live with that mindset, the world can throw its worst at you and you'll still rise. So hear me clearly. Your pain is not your ending. Your pain is your beginning. Your pain is your catalyst. Your pain is your power. Make a decision today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. I will not run from pain. I will not fear pain. I will use pain. I will turn every piece of it into strength, hunger, discipline, and power. You were not born to break. You were born to rise. And this is the moment you start turning every wound into a weapon. Turn your pain into power. And the world will never look at you the same again. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs it.